Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Instagram is not letting you log in your Instagram account. So guys, if you are trying to log in your Instagram account but you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you must remember your username and email address or your phone number, and if you don't remember all of these you will not be able to log in your account anymore. So guys, first of all you have to simply make sure that you have entered the correct username, email or mobile number, and after this you have to enter the correct password for your Instagram account as well. So guys, if you don't remember the password, then you have to simply enter your username, email address or phone number, and after this you have to simply tap on forgot password from here. So guys, here you can see this button, you have to simply tap on this, and after this you have to simply allow Instagram, and after this you have to enter your email or username from here. So guys, here I am entering my username. I have saved it also. I am entering my phone number. So guys, you have to simply tap on continue after this, and here you can see you can get a link on your WhatsApp number, and you can also get code via Instagram notification if you're already logged in any other device, and you can also get code or link via email. So guys, here you have to select anyone. Here I am selecting this one as get code or link via WhatsApp. So guys, after this tap on continue, and here you can see a code will be sent to your phone number, and after this you have to enter that code here. So as you can see this, it is saying that we sent a code via WhatsApp, enter that code to confirm your account. So guys, basically you have to simply enter that code, and after this you will be able to reset the password of your Instagram account very easily. So guys, in this way you can also fix your login problems on your Instagram. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.